Hi, welcome to Deal. We are happy to have you on board. We know that you may have many questions as you on board with us in Vietnam, so we will be going through some country specific information such as social insurance form, annual medical check, private health benefit, health and safety training, and public holidays. Social insurance form. You have the option to complete a social insurance form within the Deal platform. There are two ways to fill this in. First, fill in via Deal platform. Complete and then submit. Second, download the form, fill in manually, and then upload on the document section. If you don't have an insurance number at this time, you are only required to fill out section 1. If you already have an insurance number, you should complete section 2. Please don't forget to affix your signature of the form. Annual medical check. As part of your onboarding process, you are required to complete a medical exam. Medical exams for DEAL are undertaken in June, and the results of the exam must be uploaded to the DEAL platform and revalidated annually as required by Vietnam law. The cost of the exam will be reimbursed. Any reasonable expenses associated with the medical check, such as travel costs, may also be covered up to $90. You just need to submit them as an expense on DEAL platform for reimbursement. Private health benefit. In Vietnam, client can select from the two health insurance providers. Unisure, this is an allowance-based health insurance. This means that employers pay an allowance that employees use to fund their premiums. Employees are responsible for paying any difference in premium. A friendly reminder to ensure you complete your enrollment until you have confirmed that your health benefit is activated. You can also opt out for this health benefit if you wish to. For Alliance, you have 30 days from your start date to complete your enrollment on ThankSpend, which includes adding your dependents to your offered plan. If you did not complete enrollment or opt out of the benefit, you will be automatically enrolled. Please make sure to review the details available in the benefits section of Deal platform. Health and safety training. Employees are required to complete an annual health and safety training. You must complete this as part of your onboarding process. What do you need to do? First, you will receive an invite from IdeaGen. Second, sign up and begin your HNS training. And third, once completed, you will receive a certificate and you don't need to upload that on the platform. If you have the same certification from your previous employer, we are not accepting it. You need to complete the training on Deal platform. And lastly, public holidays. All employees in Vietnam are entitled to the following national public holiday: New Year's Day, Lunar New Year, Home Kings Festival, Reunification Day, Labor Day, and Independence Day. If the public holiday falls on a weekend, employee gets next business days off. However, it would be the public announcement from the government about the extra days off when the holiday falls on a weekend. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Deal. We hope this information was helpful to you and your onboarding journey.